Dogs are such loyal animals. We've seen many stories of pets separated from their owners who can do nothing but wait for their return. Like one dog, who, in a heartbreaking viral TikTok, waits for her owner outside a shop every day, even in the pouring rain, but now, the two have been reunited. The video was posted by TikTok user @JimJimmy in December. A dog sits outside a shop in Sembilan, Malaysia in the pouring rain, looking sad. It was clear the dog was waiting for someone. Jim tries to call the dog over to help her, but she doesn't move. He wrote that the dog had been outside the same shop for 4 days straight. In the video, the dog does accept the food she is given, but it's clear she will keep on waiting in the same spot until her owner returns. It's a heartbreaking sight, but thankfully this story has a happy ending. According to the Malaysian outlet says, the viral popularity of the video helped the dog reunite with her owner. They report that the dog, whose name is Barava, had been missing for 8 months, until her owner Vani saw the video online. Vani headed to the spot where Barava had been waiting, leading to a heartwarming reunion. "I went there and called her name. We were all crying and hugging our dog," she told says. Rain or shine, the dog waited at the same spot for her owner to show up. Vani, a 40-year-old mother, says she rescued the dog as a stray 5 years ago. The two were separated while Vani was recovering from a sickness, and that's when the dog went missing. The owner had searched everywhere, but it was only after seeing the video of her loyal dog waiting for her that she was able to bring her home. "We're so glad Barava is finally home. It's clear this loyal dog missed her owner a lot."